A spiritual teacher was on a morning walk near a beach. His disciples were with him. The teacher turned towards the ocean and he was seeing the sun rise. At that moment, some of his disciples, they turned to the teacher and said, "Dear sir, don't you think the ocean looks beautiful?" And the teacher replied, "Yes, the ocean looks beautiful, but from a distance. If you go near the ocean is so deadly that it may catch you under its current and drown you." A similar incident happened when I was on a tour many years ago to a holy place which was on an ocean side. So many people were entering to take bath, and it was reported that the ocean is extremely tempestuous, stormy, and therefore it was not advisable to enter the ocean. So we started making announcement, please do not go in beyond a certain range. But there was this one young man who was extremely adventurous, and he continued going deeper and deeper inside the ocean, and he was not heeding any of the warnings. In spite of being warned, he would not accept it. And we were telling him, please follow what we are saying, you will get trapped. And he replied, I am an expert, I have no problem, nothing will happen. And as he went deeper and deeper, suddenly the waves started pulling him away from the bank. And everyone saw that he is going deeper and deeper. And then at that point, he raised both of his hands, asking for help. But people on the bank, they could not figure out why he is raising his hands. They also raised his hands and started waving back to him. And then someone said, no, it is not that he is waving. He is actually asking for help. And then the lifeguard jumped in, caught hold of him and brought him out, took out the water from the stomach. He realized he has just seen death very close. So I asked him, you were being warned. You were being repeatedly warned, do not enter the ocean. Why did you still go? And his answer was very crucial. He said, actually, I am such an expert at swimming. All my life, I have been swimming in all kinds of different water bodies. I could never imagine that a day will come when I will have a challenge in water. I had such self-confidence in my expertise. I could not imagine that at this moment, all of my expertise will fail in this situation. Therefore, dear friends, we should realize that when we are put in a crucial situation, even the powerful expertise we may carry may fail to resolve it. Therefore, a person who doesn't know swimming would not even want to enter that water beyond a certain stage. Why? Because when a person is a neophyte, when a person is struggling, when a person is learning, he is humble and he is cautious. But when someone becomes expert, then he develops a sense of enhanced self-confidence which may go into bravado, and he may take risks beyond his capacity to handle. Therefore, dear friends, we should be very, very careful in dealing with material energy, because however expert we may be, we do not have all the power to conquer over all the conditions. Better to be safe than sorry.